A drug the cystic fibrosis community has long been campaigning for will hopefully soon be available. A provisional agreement's been made between Pharmac and Vertex to fund the drug Trikafta for those with the condition aged 6 and over. The drug buying agency estimated it could give those people up to 27 more years of full health when compared with supportive care. Cystic Fibrosis Chief Executive Lisa Burns told Tim Dower she's struggled to find the words to explain what it means for the community.
This is really an absolute miracle to this community, and we are really thrilled.
A major route through West Auckland is closed as police respond to a serious incident. Emergency services descended on the intersection of Lincoln Road and Triangle Road in Henderson before 5 a.m. Police say both Lincoln Road off-ramps are closed and sections of Lincoln Road, Triangle Road and Central Park Drive are also closed. Motorists are being urged to find alternative routes. News of more cycle lanes is being warmly welcomed by biking enthusiasts. The government's putting $350 million into a Transport Choices package, which will be rolled out to cities across the country. It covers nearly 400 new or upgraded bus stops, more than 240 kilometres of cycleways and safety improvements around schools. Cycling Action Network's Patrick Morgan says cycle lanes are only appealing if there's physical separation from fast-moving traffic.
The plans that I've seen in this funding announcement are good plans. They include protected bike lanes that are good for people whether they're 10 years old or 80 years old.
The Greens aren't backing down on protecting public ownership of New Zealand's water. The government's stripping an entrenchment clause from its Three Waters legislation, which was added under urgency last month. The policy was put forward by the Green Party and would have required 60% support from the House to sell off water assets. Greens local government spokesperson Eugenie Sage says they're very disappointed.
There's further legislation that government plans to introduce, and we'll be looking closely at that to ensure we can do as much as possible to protect public ownership and operation of assets and infrastructure.
Our housing market's on a rollercoaster ride that's not likely to end next year. A One Roof report shows average property values nationwide have fallen nearly $90,000. Values in every region except the West Coast have dropped over the course of this year. Editor Owen Vaughan says values rose steeply after the first COVID lockdown, fuelled by lower interest rates. He says now first home buyers don't have much competition. A Kiwi musician credited with being integral to the creation of the Dunedin sound has been missing for more than a week. Pierre Nixon reports.
Police say the co-founder of indie rock band The Clean, Hamish Kilgour, was last seen at the Palms shopping centre in Christchurch. Although there have been a number of sightings reported, his whereabouts is still unknown. Canterbury police say Kilgour's family are concerned for his well-being.
Iran's morality police are reportedly being disbanded after months of protests. The police force tasked with enforcing the country's strict Islamic dress code has been in the global spotlight after the death of a young woman in custody.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald. Click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.